Welcome to Simple Surge. We live in the age of the distraction plague. Most students spend more time fighting their phones than actually learning. Today, we're ending the war on your attention for good. I'm going to show you exactly how to study effectively for 4, 6, or even 8 hours straight without losing your mind. Imagine a day where you actually finish your to-do list. If you're ready to reclaim your mind and study for hours without losing focus, hit that like button, share this with your most distracted friend, and comment "Focus" to join the surge. At Simple Surge, we build systems for high performers. Let's dive into the ultimate guide for studying effectively without distractions. Ready? Let's go. Phase 1. Build your sanctuary. You cannot win against a smartphone with willpower. The phone always wins. You need to remove the temptation entirely. If you see it, you've already lost. Add friction to every possible distraction. If you have to stand up, walk 10 feet, and enter a code to check Instagram, you won't do it. Make your bad habits physically annoying to execute. Simple Surge logic. Phase 2. The zero friction setup. Your study desk should be a sacred space. No clutter, no trash, no random papers. Have everything you need ready the night before. Open the book to the exact page you need. If the thought of a 4-hour session scares you, sign a 5-minute contract with your brain. Tell yourself you only have to do 5 minutes. Once the seal is broken, momentum takes over. Starting is 80% of the battle. Phase 3. Digital hygiene. Close every tab that isn't essential. Use app blockers to kill the noise. You are entering a state of total digital blackout. This is your sacred space. Protect it. One single ping can cost you 20 minutes of focus recovery time. In the Surge, we don't check things, we execute. Turn off every notification. Total silence is the home of deep work. What about the noise inside your head? Those random thoughts like, I need to buy bread or did I email John? These are focus killers. We need a system to capture them without stopping. Use the parking lot technique. Keep a small notebook next to you. When a random thought hits, jot it down in 3 words and go back to work. You've captured the data without leaving the flow. Simple Surge efficiency. Phase 5. Rhythmic intensity. Humans are built for sprints, not marathons. Study intensely for 90 minutes. No interruptions, no multitasking. This is your high-voltage performance time. Go all out. Then, take a 30-minute restorative break. Not a scrolling break. Walk, stretch, drink water. This allows your brain to back up the information and reset your focus endurance. The rest is as important as the work. Don't forget the fuel. Hydration. Your brain is 75% water. A minor drop in hydration leads to a major drop in processing speed. Keep a gallon of water at your desk. Drink 16 ounces every hour. Fuel the surge. Hydration increases your cognitive endurance by 15%. In a long session, that's the difference between a breakthrough and burnout. Don't study on empty. Fuel the fluid. Surge on. Phase 6. Flow triggers. Use binaural beats or pink noise. These frequencies synchronize your brainwaves into states of deep focus. Use the same song or playlist every time. Create a Pavlovian anchor for focus. When the music starts, the work begins. No thinking, no deciding, just execution. You are training your brain to switch into study mode instantly. This is the outlier advantage. Simple Surge logic. Phase 7. Stop reading. Start testing. Reading is a passive trap. It feels like you're learning, but you're just recognizing text. Active recall is the illegal hack. Cover the page and force your brain to build the concept from scratch. Use the recall pyramid. Read a paragraph, shut the book, write down everything you remember, compare and fill the gaps. This struggle is what actually builds the neural pathway. Embrace the friction. Phase 8. Shift your identity. Stop saying, I'm trying to study. Say, I am a deep work professional. When you change the label, you change the behavior. You don't try to focus. You just focus because that's who you are. Outliers don't make excuses. Most people are content with being distracted. They follow every impulse. But at Simple Surge, we master them. We take the extra hours. We own the knowledge. We lead the surge. Own your attention. Phase 9. The Sunday Reset. Spend 30 minutes every Sunday planning your study sessions for the week. When you wake up on Monday, the decision-making is already done. You just execute. Be the architect of your own success. Planning kills decision fatigue. Every choice you make drains your mental battery. By planning ahead, you save 100% of your mental energy for the actual learning. You are already ahead of 99% of people. Surge on. Productivity is physical. If your body is stagnant, your mind is stagnant. Short bursts of movement throughout the day keep your brain in peak state. Move your body to unlock your mind. This is the Simple Surge way. 10 push-ups or a quick walk can reset your focus endurance instantly. Pumping fresh oxygen to your cortex is the illegal hack the average person ignores. You are a high-performance machine. Don't let the engine rust. These systems have transformed thousands of lives. Students who were once unfocused are now dominating because they mastered the system. You are next. The surge is yours. Master it today. No more excuses. You aren't alone in this. You're part of a community of seekers, people who refuse to be average. Together, we build the future before the world even wakes up. Join us. Join Simple Surge. Together we win. At Simple Surge, we believe in radical optimization. You have one life. Don't spend it in a distraction loop. Take control, master your biology, and join the surge. Success starts with a single focused hour. If this focus guide changed your perspective, hit that like button. Share it with someone who needs a surge. Subscribe to Simple Surge for more illegal ways to master your world. We are just getting started. We read every single comment. What's the biggest distraction you're killing today? Tell us below and let's hold each other accountable. Let's build the surge together. Surge on. Master your time. Master your life. This is Simple Surge. Stay sharp, stay focused, and we'll see you, well, in the flow state. Goodbye for now. Focus and win. Simple Surge. Out. Success is yours for the taking. Goodbye. Don't stop the surge. Master your time. Master your life. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Stay focused. Stay ahead. Simple Surge out. Farewell. Keep pushing. The top is waiting. Simple Surge. Productivity mastered, life optimized. We'll see you soon. Enjoy the silence of your focus. Goodbye. Stay sharp. Stay focused. See you at the top. Farewell. We'll see you in the flow. Goodbye.